friends, today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Gear S2 Classic. This is a 4G LTE version from AT&T. I have my number here, so I just took that off. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Right in the box, once you open it, you can see the watch right here, and you can see how they have a cutout that goes around the watch just to protect it. Take the watch out. Here's the watch. I'm going to set it aside. The next thing in here is looks like user manual and stuff. Yep, it's a pretty thick user manual. And here we have setup instructions, and this looks like it's a quick start guide. I'm gonna set this aside. Right here is the wall charger. It's a USB. That'll help charge the watch. This is the wireless charging pad that comes in this case, and the USB connects here, and all you have to do is just place your watch on this side and you'll charge. And we have an extra set of extra strap. There's an S here, so this is a small size, and I'm assuming the watch already has a large size strap onto it, just to help people with smaller wrists enjoy the watch. I don't have a big wrist, so I think I might have to switch to the small strap. And let's power it on. Okay, right there. There it is, the unboxing video of Samsung Gear S2. Thanks for watching.